To split screen on your Samsung Galaxy A17 is easy. Start by ensuring that you have at least one app open and running in the background. Then from here, open up the recent window. Next, tap on the app icon, like so, and select Open in Split Screen. From here, you can now go ahead and select another app that you wish to open on the bottom half of Split Screen. And once you've done that, you'll have successfully opened or you have successfully entered split screen mode on your Galaxy A17. If you want to view other additional options that you can use to customize split screen, you can just tap on the three dots that's separating the two screens, and then you'll see this option for switching between the sides where the screen is, or even just making it your adding the pair to home screen. If you want to change apps, just tap on the handle icon and then choose another app by tapping on the app icon. And then once you select another app, that's the one that will be opened in split screen. When you're ready to exit, you can just use the handle to drag down or to drag up to exit split screen. If you want to change the size of split screen, use the handle and adjust it to your own custom size according to how you want things to be. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and I'll see you in the next video.